To honestly say, ITCS-study had very proper guidelines in your hand. So it was not like I'm taking reference from something else, but then it was an actual thing what I was believing. So it was one of the best things compared to any other thing so far which I have visited.
Okay, okay. Hi, very good morning. This side Chatradhari Mandal, Managing Director of International Training and Consulting Services Private Limited, Bangalore. Today, we are traveling for one of the finest medical university of Russia. It's Penza State Medical University. Those are providing the medical education in English medium since 1991, and more than 15 batches is already passed out from this place, and we have a very good FMG passing ratio. And the most interesting thing, from this university, two students has also qualified for the MRCP, that is a UK PG exam. In the same journey, today we are taking Vaishnavi from Bangalore for the same university, and we overall try to understand that Vaishnavi, how is your overall experience with the ITCS and all?
It was very nice. It was very handy for me as I just passed well and then I qualified neat and then it was very good. It was a very easy way. I'm not feeling it's a huge deal going and all.
Okay, okay. So, like as we discussed from the first day onwards, how you found our counseling? Because I know you have already visited multiple places also and all.
I felt it is like one of the best one amongst the one which I visited. So yeah, therefore I chose this, and then it's very nice so far. Whatever has happened.
Yeah. So, like initially, when you're trying to search the universities and all or countries, you have lots of confusions and all. Many places, hope you have gone, they have not clarified with the NMC guidelines and all. How you found with the ITCS and all?
To honestly say, ITCS-study had very proper guidelines in your hand. So it was not like I'm taking reference from something else, but then it was an actual thing what I was believing. So it was one of the best things compared to any other thing so far which I have visited.
Okay, okay. So, like as you have made a dream for becoming a doctor, so like how it is, like from the childhood you started thinking, or after in the class 12th you started thinking about
It was
that?
my childhood dream, say from my 6 years, 7 years probably. So yeah, and now I'm working on it. I'm going for it's my first step, I can say.
Yes, yes, definitely. It is just a beginning of the like your dream that where we are starting and all from the today. Actually, we are at the departure gate today, and we have to travel for a long journey. We can assure from the ITCS side for sure that we are always with you. But related to the study sides and all, you have to take care of yourself. Non-medical, non-academic parts and all, we are always with you and all. Hello, sir. Uh, Hi, sir.
Hello.
Sir, like almost from last 2 months,
Yeah.
we are connected.
Yeah.
Today we are in the departure gate, and you are also traveling today Russia. So, how is your overall experience with ITCS guidelines, our guidelines, and all such things and all?
Yeah. Morning.
Mhm.
Today we came to airport
Mm-hmm.
and we are going to Russia.
Yes.
2 months experience
Mm-hmm.
was very good.
Mm-hmm.
I can speak in Kannada.
Yes, yes.
So,
Ah,
ಈ 2 ತಿಂಗಳ ಒಂದು ಎಕ್ಸ್ಪೀರಿಯನ್ಸ್ ಹೇಗಿತ್ತು ITCS ಅಂತಂದ್ರೆ ಟೆನ್ಷನ್ ಫ್ರೀ. ನೀನು ಹೇಳ್ಬೇಕಂದ್ರೆ ಟೆನ್ಷನ್ ಫ್ರೀ. ಡೇ 1 ಅವರ ಕಾಂಟ್ಯಾಕ್ಟ್ ಮಾಡಿ ಅವ್ರು ನಮಗೆ ಎಕ್ಸ್ಪ್ಲೈನ್ ಮಾಡಿ ಅದಾಗಿಂದ ಈಸ್ ಅ ಟೆನ್ಷನ್ ಫ್ರೀ. ಯಾವ ಒಂದು ಯೋಚನೆ ಇಲ್ಲ, ಪ್ರತಿಯೊಂದು ಅವರೇ ನೋಡ್ಕೊಂಡಿದ್ದಾರೆ. ಹಾಗಾಗಿ ಯಾವುದು ನಮ್ಗೆ ಟೆನ್ಷನ್ನೇ ಕೊಟ್ಟಿಲ್ಲ ಅವರು. ಮತ್ತು ಇವಾಗ ರಷ್ಯಾಗೆ ಬಿಡಕ್ಕೂ ಬರ್ತಾ ಇದ್ದಾರೆ, ಅದೊಂದು ಪ್ಲಸ್ ಪಾಯಿಂಟು. ಸೊ ಹಾಗಾಗಿ ವೀಸಾ ಆಗಲಿ, ಏರ್ ಟಿಕೆಟ್ಸಿಂದ ಆಗಲಿ, ಅಲ್ಲಿ ಕಾಲೇಜು ಅಡ್ಮಿಷನ್ಸು, ಹಾಸ್ಟೆಲ್ಸು, ಪ್ರತಿಯೊಂದು ನಮಗೇನು ಟೆನ್ಷನ್ನೇ ಇಲ್ಲ. ಅಟ್ಲೀಸ್ಟ್ ನಮ್ಮ ಲೋಕಲಲ್ಲಿ ಒಂದು ಕಾಲೇಜ್ಗೆ ಹೋಗಿದ್ದನ್ನು ಸ್ವಲ್ಪ ಟೆನ್ಷನ್ ತೊಗೊತಾ ಇದ್ವಿ ಅನ್ನೋ ಗೊತ್ತಿಲ್ಲ. ಇಂಡಿಯಾದಲ್ಲಿ ನಮಗೇನೇನು ಟೆನ್ಷನ್ ಇಲ್ಲ ಹೇಳ್ಬೇಕಂದ್ರೆ.
सर, लाइक आपने इसे सर्च किया, बहुत सारे जगह भी आपने किया, क्या अंतर आपको मिला ITCS और डिफरेंट कंसल्टेंसीज में? आपने बहुत जगह विजिट किया, उसके बाद एक डिसीजन लिया सोचने के बाद एंड ऑल.
ಇದು ಫಸ್ಟ್ ಆಫ್ ಆಲ್ ಒಂದು ಹೇಳ್ಬೇಕಂದ್ರೆ ಇವರು ಒಂದು ಹಳೆ, ಆ್ಯಕ್ಚುಲಿ ಇವರು ಹಳೆಯ ಆರ್ಗನೈಸೇಷನ್. ಸೊ ಹಳೆ ಆರ್ಗನೈಸೇಷನ್ ಜೊತೆಗೆ ಹಳೆ ಸ್ಟೂಡೆಂಟ್ಸ್ ಹೋಗಿದಾರಲ್ಲ ಅವ್ರ ಹತ್ರ ನಾವು ಕೇಳೋದಲ್ಲೇ ಗೊತ್ತಾಗ್ಬಿಡ್ತದೆ ಹೇಗೆ ಏನಂತ. ಸೊ ಬೇರೆ ಒಂದು ಆರ್ಗನೈಸೇಷನ್ ಅಲ್ಲಿ ನನ್ಗೊಂದು ಇಷ್ಟೊಂದು ಒಳ್ಳೆ ಫೀಡ್ಬ್ಯಾಕ್ ಬಂದಿಲ್ಲ, ಇದೊಂದು ಒಳ್ಳೆ ಫೀಡ್ಬ್ಯಾಕ್ ಬಂದಿಲ್ಲ. ಸೊ ಇವ್ರ ಕಡೆಯಿಂದ ಹೋದ ಮಕ್ಕಳು ಒಳ್ಳೆ ಫೀಡ್ಬ್ಯಾಕ್ ಕೊಟ್ಟಿದ್ದಾರೆ. ಸೊ ಹಾಗಾಗಿ ನಮ್ಗೊಂದು ಧೈರ್ಯ ಸಿಕ್ತು ಅಲ್ಲಿ ಹೋಗ್ಲಿಕ್ಕೆ. ಅದೇ ತರ ನಡ್ಕೊಂಡಿದ್ದಾರೆ, ಅದು ಅದು ತುಂಬಾ ಇಂಪಾರ್ಟೆಂಟ್.
Okay. And you also said like discussed with so many seniors and
Yeah,
parents.
yeah.
What they told, like how was the
This is
feedback?
what- the feedback
Mhm.
it was very good, and after I took the feedback, I took the decision to come to your
And also you took a decision to travel to Russia also.
yeah.
Welcome to Russia with us, sir. Okay. And this is your passport. Okay. This is Vaishnavi, your passport along with your visa. Okay. This is your visa for 90 days. Okay. And sir, this is your passport. That's a tourist visa you have. Okay. And this is a small gift hamper from our side that you have to keep in your bag, your feet. And inside this, your original 12th marks card. Okay. And all other things, like it's a small gift hamper from us, an apron. Okay. Then it states, even in the immigration counter, you need a pen. Whatever required, everything we kept. Even mask also we kept, because sometimes they gives announcement, wear mask and all during the travel journey. So keep these things in the bag, make fitting and all. In next 5 minutes, we'll start for departure. Thank you, and stay connected with our YouTube channel. We'll be come forward always with more success stories, where you can see the middle class family can also see a dream for becoming a doctor. We know in India how costly to study medicine in India. Thank you, and stay connected. Thank you.